Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add dynamic dropdown to Jotform. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard, where all your created or accessible forms are listed. Find the form you want to edit and click on Edit It. This will take you to the form builder where you can customize the layout and fields. Here, simply go to Add Elements tab from the left side. Next, navigate to the Widgets tab. This section is where you'll find extra tools that go beyond standard form fields. Inside the search bar, type Dynamic Dropdowns. The matching widget will appear and simply drag and drop it into your form where you want it placed. Once you've added the widget, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen where you can edit and customize the dropdown content. Here, you can define multiple levels of dropdown options to make the selections interactive and logical. After entering your options, click on Update. This step ensures all your modifications are stored correctly and reflected on your live form. Once saved, click on Preview Form to test how your dropdown behaves. And that's it. So that is how you can add dynamic dropdown to Jotform. So that's all for this video. Thanks.